Glam Squad, it's your girl Anne, and I'm back today with another video. I hope everyone is doing great, and I hope your week is off to a great start. So I am back today with another cooking vlog, and I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm preparing for dinner. So on the menu today, guys, I'm making some jerk chicken and some yellow rice. So what I'm doing here is just pretty much cutting my chicken up, and for my jerk chicken I'm actually using chicken breast because that's all I had on hand, and I really wanted to make jerk chicken for dinner because it's been a while since I've had jerk chicken. So I'm just pretty much just cutting my chicken breast up into small cube pieces, sort of like ice cubes. And then I'm going to go ahead and just clean it really nicely using some fresh lemon. And what I'm also doing, you'll see in a short while, is just rubbing my fresh lemon all over the chicken and just getting rid of all of the slime and all of the, you know, the little smell sometimes that meat comes with. And just giving my chicken a good cleaning before I start to prep and marinate it with all of the spices. So to marinate and season your chicken, I am using, I think, a small teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper because the jerk chicken seasoning that I'm using is actually a mild one. I wanted it to be just a little bit more spicy, so that's why I'm adding about a small teaspoon of cayenne pepper, just about a half of a teaspoon, as well as some black pepper, some paprika, and I'm also adding, I think, about 1 to 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. Now that we have seasoned up our chicken, allow that to set that aside, guys, and allow that to marinate for a little while. So now I'm moving on to preparing my yellow rice. So for my yellow rice, guys, I'm adding about 5 to 6 spoons of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can also add a little bit of butter to this yellow rice recipe, which is going to give your rice a really nice flavor as well. Once my oil is hot, I'm adding some fresh parsley, fresh scallion, some red onions. I'm also going to add a can of sweet corn. Now you're stirring that around, and to that mixture I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and then this is just going to give my rice a really nice flavor as well and great taste. I'll also add a spoon of turmeric, which is going to create that yellow rice that I'm looking for. Turmeric also has really great health benefits as well. Now stir all of that together, and you can use any rice of your choice. On the other hand, I love cooking with basmati rice, so I'll be adding 2 cups of basmati rice, which I've already washed off camera and set aside. And to my 2 cups of basmati rice and all of my mixture, I'll add 2 cups of water. Now, once I've done all of that, I'm going to stir all of the ingredients with my rice and everything together. And as it cooks, I will be turning my stove down to a lower heat to make sure that my rice is cooked evenly. And I'll also add a piece of foil paper. You can also add a clean plastic bag to your rice and allow it to cook. Now that I've finished preparing my yellow rice and I'm allowing that to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, let's move on to cooking our jerk chicken. So in the wok, I am adding about 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and you can use any oil of your choice, like I said. Once your oil is hot, place your chicken into the oil, stir that around, let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, just allowing it to just brown a little bit. I'm also adding some fresh thyme to that jerk chicken. Now, what I've done off camera was I created a sauce that I'll be adding shortly to the jerk chicken once it's cooked for about 10 minutes. Now, for the sauce, I was having my eldest daughter and her son come over, and my grandson, he's 7 years old, so I didn't want my jerk chicken to be too spicy and hot for him. So I created this sauce by using a little bit of black pepper, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and I also added 2 more teaspoons of the jerk seasoning. This jerk seasoning has like really great flavor, and I just love how it tastes. I also added some rib and chicken sauce, which is by the brand Diana sauce, and I also added some ketchup. So even though I was going for a jerk chicken, which is supposed to be spicy, I did add the ketchup and the chicken rib just to give it a little bit of a sweet taste. So the combinations of the spicy and the sweet, oh my god, it tastes so amazing, guy. And just allow your jerk chicken to cook for about half an hour. So guys, this is the final product of how my jerk chicken and yellow rice turned out, and it looks amazing. The flavors in my kitchen right now, it smells so delicious. I'm so hungry right now. I can't wait to dig in and taste this food. I've never made yellow rice before. I've made jerk chicken on many occasions, but I've actually never made it with chicken breast. And I've plated both the jerk chicken and my yellow rice into 2 separate Pyrex dishes, as you can see. I've also topped my jerk chicken with a little bit of parsley and scallion, which adds texture, and presentation wise it just looks really pretty. So that's just like my staple thing that I like to do once I've plated my food. I love to add a little bit of scallion to it, just to, like I said, great presentation, great texture, and it looks really pretty. For the yellow rice, guys, you can go onto YouTube and just type in how to make yellow rice. There's so many YouTubers that will share how they create their yellow rice and the type of spices that they use. Or you can just create it by using whatever you have in your kitchen, making sure that the one ingredient to create the yellow rice is actually turmeric. Anyways, guys, I love you for watching. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. Double tap your post notification bell. That's where you'll always get alerts every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Comment down below and let me know what you think.